So, as you may already know, each product in the line has a specific number. And I did it this way purposely so you know which order to use your products in. So in your Simplicity set, you have a number 1, which is your cleanser. You have a number 3, which is your exfoliant. And you have a number 4, which is your serum. So ideally, I believe that the most bare bones routine that you have would have a cleanser in it that's super hydrating and nourishing, which you get out of your gentle cleansing gel that has the coconut milk in it and the zinc and the aloe. You need an exfoliant because that's the core of an amazing routine, because exfoliation helps all of your products penetrate more effectively. And you also need an amazing serum, and I believe that you should start using serums and anti-aging treatments before you need them. So your simplest set that you're going to get the most out of would be an amazing hydrating cleanser, an amazing exfoliant, and a great anti-aging healing serum.